Today, our gathering is not merely about policy discussions. It is about international social security partners confronting the multifaceted challenges and seizing the opportunities and gathering presented by the growing platform economy. In Malaysia, as in many other nations, we have witnessed a dramatic rise in self-employed and platform-based work. The COVID pandemic accelerated this shift, with many entering the gig economy out of necessity or choice. The fast-evolving gig economy offers unparalleled, flexible, and innovative revenue stream, yet it also exposes gaps in our traditional labor market and social security frameworks. A cornerstone of this effort is the Self-Employment Social Security Act, also known as Act 789, that was established as early as 2017 by PERCASO to protect the self-employed and gig workers. Workers in the informal sector now pay only 10% of their contributions for 12 months of coverage. By July 2024, the success of this program was evident. Having already achieved its target, this program, ladies and gentlemen, has been further bolstered by the enforcement of mandatory contributions under Act 789, strategically targeting crucial sectors such as passenger transportation and goods and food transportation. Recent data as of August revealed that 25.1% of Malaysian workforce, about 3.1 million out of 12.5 million workers, is self-employed, including 1.5 billion freelancers. We have made remarkable progress since 2017. From the humble beginning of our first self-employed registration on 2nd of June 2017, I'm immensely proud to announce that PERCASO has now recorded 679,830 self-employed individuals. As we celebrate this achievement, we must also recognize that there is still much work to be done, since only about 21% of self-employed individuals have active PERCASO coverage, with 32.78%, or about 222,000, being gig workers. These figures underscore the significant gap in social protection for a substantial portion of our workforce, highlighting the urgent needs for expanded coverage and tailored solutions for the gig economy. To address these issues, Malaysia is committed to enhancing the welfare and well-being of gig workers through a comprehensive strategy. One key initiative is the establishment of the Malaysian Gig Economy Commission, known as SEGIM, to regulate the gig economy in Malaysia. Additionally, the country is making significant progress toward establishing the Gig Economy Works Act as a groundbreaking move that positions Malaysia as one of the earliest countries in the world to introduce an employment act specifically for gig economy workers. This new act, led by Kesuma, is expected to be tabled before the Cabinet within the next 2 months, underscoring Malaysia's commitment to protecting gig workers' rights by focusing on social protection and contract disputes and career advancement. In closing, I extend my best wishes for a productive and insightful seminar and officially declare the ISA Technical Seminar 2024 on Social Security for the self-employed and platform workers here in Kuala Lumpur open.